name is Mark Thomas. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Alliances at Ridecell. Ridecell has three major product lines. We'll help you get into the car sharing business, which means both free-floating and station-based style car sharing. We'll help companies get into the ride-hailing business. And that's the kind where you call like an Uber or a Didi and get in somebody else's car and be driven there. We have a more recent product we announced called Fleet Ops that helps any company that has a fleet of vehicles keep them cleaned, well-maintained, and in the right place around the city where the people will want them next. So the Ridecell platform for shared mobility is designed for companies that are looking to get into the shared mobility industry. And you'd think that typically the companies that have been doing this in the past have been auto companies. They understand that, hey, we're not auto companies anymore, we're mobility companies. And so you've seen them enter the market with shared mobility services. Now other companies have realized, hey, my business depends upon the private vehicle ownership. And so if I can get into the shared mobility business as well, I'll be hedging my future on what's coming next. We have companies like Penske, who's the largest auto dealer group in North America, that just recently launched a car sharing operation in the Washington, D.C. area. Auto clubs are also potentially at risk. If people stop owning vehicles, there's no need to be a member of an auto club. So the Northern California Auto Club also has a car sharing service now in the San Francisco Bay Area. They've been growing like gangbusters.
I'm Alistair Adams. I'm Director of Product Marketing at Ridecell. So the car sharing app has been designed to make it really easy for users to be onboarded into the system. It takes about 3 minutes for someone to go through the complete process of background check, checking their driver's license, entering their credit card information and so forth. We're also making it very easy for them to be able to find where the cars are, know what the pricing of the vehicle is. There's different pricing depending on the time of day and different packages for hourly rates or daily rates. It's very easy for the user to, from a single push of the button, to unlock the car. They have to be within a certain distance of the vehicle for that to happen, and then once they're inside the vehicle, it's just the regular push the button to start to go. We can also handle promotions, so we can reward people. If they've done, say, 3 trips in the vehicle, we can say, okay, now you get a discount. So this is what's very important for customer retention. We have an alert system, which we can use for monitoring aspects like, is the fuel low? Has the car been in a very long rental? Or it hasn't been used for a long time? Or if some maintenance signal has come in from the vehicle saying that the tire pressure is low, for example. And then these alerts can then generate tickets which get assigned to different maintenance suppliers. And this is where it ties in nicely with our fleet operations platform, which helps optimize these management of these jobs and the workers that do them.
Here we are at CES 2020, and it really is about the future of transportation. If you're in any of these halls, you'll see smart cities, auto companies with their signage that says, you know, we're now the future of mobility. It's an ecosystem that's coming together. In the same way that when we prepared the world for private vehicle ownerships, we needed roads and filling stations and repair shops. The future will be shared and it will be electric. So we'll need vehicles that were designed for sharing. We'll need charging stations that'll be keeping these electric vehicles going. And you'll need a sharing platform that will help coordinate it all together. And Ridecell is here because we provide that sharing platform that helps companies prepare for the future.